Well, epilepsy's slightly, nothing to worry about. And that's talking about cigarettes and smoking. So people smoking long term can end up with something called COPD. So their lung just sort of packs in. Basically, that's what that's showing there. And pork. And pork can do it, yeah. Pork can basically clog up your arteries. So you see that one's going nice and freely. Yeah. If you're getting the wrong foods into you, not getting enough exercise, smoking, you could end up with your arteries being clogged up so your blood doesn't flow.
It's good.
Yeah?
It's good.
This is Family Health Family Fun Day. Just want to draw everyone's attention to the stage. First of all, together for them and their hard work over the last couple of months, inshallah. Thank you. Right, okay. Today's event is going to be live fantastic relationship with the young children and for charitable purposes. He's done fantastic work for a number of different charities. I'm delighted to say and honoured that we've got Brother Nasser Akhtar here. So please bring your children to the front and allow them to learn something about Islam. And also, inshallah, it's an opportunity for...
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. So let's keep that in mind. So we go on another charity. Mind, and we look at it narrow-mindedly. And the other charities which are working on ground these places, thanks to them, alhamdulillah, thumma alhamdulillah, brothers and sisters are invited to such events. We get a bit trembling. Because as soon as you enter the show, we give up some of the money we have in our pockets.
I'll send you information about the stuff we do, so people want to volunteer and learn training, education.
Unemployment is the biggest problem. We Muslims know it's the truth. We're willing to wear the t-shirt that I'm a Muslim. That'll be printed at the back, mashallah. Why not science? Get my don't work for them, by the way. But anyway, we have pride in saying that. If somebody tries to say something towards Islam, we get very... This is a sign of our iman. But the Quran in the beginning pages tells us that how will Islam help us? The book in which there is no doubt. The first word, no doubt. Hudan lil-muttaqeen base. Hear it loud and clear. الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْغَيْبِ. For those who believe in the unseen. For those...
with you, and some of the youngsters been coming up to me saying Salaam Alaikum. So this from the streets to Islam, now Salam is what we say. And the day after took my Shahada, subhanallah, that was a Friday. The brother picked me up to take me to Juma. We got there late and he started to pray. He whispered to me, yo, follow my lead. I didn't understand the word that they raised back up, then went to the floor, then we raised back up, we went to the floor. Now this is using me for sure. But I didn't give up, now I understand. And you're looking at a proud Muslim man. I don't want to go live in a Muslim land. Take a Muslim wife by a Muslim, and that's a Muslim kids.
The reasons why we're doing events like this is to try and create a situation where we could get key messages out to the ordinary members of the public. Now, it helps in that it gets key messages out. We're able to recruit people onto courses and onto the various services that are provided around health. Things like the Size Down programme, the Expert Patient, Chronic Disease, Walk to Health initiatives and other facilitated health programmes. We also get a lot of volunteers offering to sign up and develop their own skills. And we also meet, as we have done today, lots of people who are community leaders and want to put on something similar at events that they're doing or for community groups that they're responsible for. We try and make it so that it's quality. Everything that we say is evidence-based and it's in line with sort of national guidelines. It's innovative. We try and put on lots of activities to attract people and sort of to gauge their interests. It's productive, and that we get a lot of footfall, a lot of interest, lots of crowds building up around us. and it's also preventative. Everything that we're doing is trying to prevent people from either becoming ill in the first place or developing some of the chronic diseases that we're experiencing on a social, sort of national level. Stop that in the first place, or if they've already got some sort of condition, to try and thwart it, hold it where it is, or try and reverse it if we can.
Yeah, I mean, I've been quite impressed today with the level of interest in the stand. Mainly people sort of inquiring about smoking, the harms of smoking, and also particularly shisha, and how a lot of people, I think particularly young people, that didn't realise the harms of smoking shisha, and how many times, about 5 times worse than smoking, you know, normal cigarettes. Other people inquiring about diet, and also about the health of their arteries and how to sort of keep it in good health, and also of course what leads to ill health of your arteries, your heart, and yeah, people have just been filling out questionnaires, taking leaflets, asking questions about the honey, benefits of honey, the cedar vinegar and things like that. So I'd say those are a few people maybe inquiring about quitting smoking, and those are the main things really. Right, yeah, so what's interesting about the honey and the vinegar, the honey is 100% raw honey from someone in Solihull, a beekeeper, so it's local. So for people with allergies, particularly something like hay fever, they suggest to have honey from the locality, as the bees themselves may contract some diseases or you know, things that humans do as well. So to get the honey from the locality. What's interesting about the cider vinegar as well is that it's supposed to be a very good detox for the body, but also just even 1 teaspoon in a glass of water that small can suppress your appetite. So some women and young girls have been inquiring about how to lose weight. Well, that's one very good way, and it's a natural way as well.
Check up now. Good news, your blood pressure is fine, your blood glucose is fine, but there's a couple of things you can do to keep yourself in shape. I mean, there's some leaflets over here. You might want to think about signing up to one of these courses to help keep your weight in check and maintain your good blood pressure, and just advice about a healthy diet and things like that. Okay?
Mercy like the rain is falling down. Mercy like the rain is falling down. Can you feel the rain is falling down? Falling down, falling down. Mercy like the rain is falling down. Mercy like the rain is falling down. Can you feel the rain is falling down? Falling down, falling down. Mercy like the angels in the rain. Mercy like the sun, the moon, the stars. Mercy like the angels in the rain. Mercy like the sun, the moon, the stars. Blossoming flowers, bearing fruits, showing us the greatness of Allah. Blossoming flowers, bearing fruits, showing us the greatness of Allah. Mercy like the rain is falling, falling down, falling down. Mercy like the faith that shines within us. Mercy like the praise that Allah answers. Mercy like the faith that shines within us. Mercy like the praise that Allah answers. How it gives thanks to Allah.